Hi guys! But this is part of Vlada Nikki's 12 blocks. So we're gonna buy some 2,500 episode. Or
Ano-ano, baka mamaya makita ni Papa yan sa
or
YouTube.
2,000.
Sa ano,
At 2,500. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do this 2,500. Okay, so I'm new to this. Let's find out.
Gusto mo mag-check out pero wala pang feeling? Sagot ko lang, ask me later. Magkano?
Black Mommy.
Get ready, you two. We're about to shake the world.
7392. 7392.
Gotta get some snare in the headphones. Yeah. We're good. Fried beans, biscuits and gravy, egg salad, broccoli. Let's party, baby. Pepperoni pizza, macaroni and cheese, garlic salami, and a pickled onion cheese. I keep on eating till I hit high tide. Shake my belly, baby, till I bubble up inside. I take my food to a higher state and wave till I regurgitate. Here comes the God. Here comes the God.
kabayo daw.
Here comes the God. Nothing else can beat this feeling, baby. Let's just keep on eating. Some people think that my baby is crash. The way he dances and builds up his skin. Yeah, my baby table man has the rule, but no one can say it doesn't chew his food. I love my baby just the way he is. He's my baby. And what he does is no one else's big. 'Cause Danny Stallion, yeah, he's my stud. Here comes the
Okay.
Busog ka naman. Okra, talong na ano. Oo, sige. Gusto ko nga sana. Kita ko yung humba pa rin. Sumida lang. Pag ano, ang dinit mo. Kaya nga, ano, pag-sit na lang. Tapos yung sabaw na lang na ano, bilhin na ako 1/4 na sabaw. Ba yun? Talong. May kalahati ko na lang yung salmon. Sama pa ako yung sa noodles. Sige, sige. Makbit na lang. Baon mo. Toyo. Gusto mo toyo na yung may kamatis? Meron akong ano dito. May isang may akong iniba. Isang may ulam namin kanina. Ari. Iba na ako ng isang ano. Isang Tupperware na ano. Tango rin sulit. Ano? Sige. 23. Kulang pa nga 23.
Play ako game ko. Sa'yo. Play yung game ko.
Akin na din, Papa Ben.
Mabuti ka.
Akin na nga muna. Mamaya, ate. Ano, te? Yan na muna ako sa ano, te. Te. Ano po? Ito yung kabayo.
Kabayo.
Hindi, ito sa itong tabi ni Unicorn.
Yung sa picture ko sa ano.
Yung kasama niya sa layat, eh.
Una?
Oo.
I got beat. Tapos yung kanta.
Lutuan kita ng...
Waiting on a wish beneath 1,000 treetops. And as a silver
Lutuan kita ng ano, tuyo din bukas na may kamatis, may sibuyas. Gusto na, kamatis at sibuyas. So, yan. Oo, 500 na.
Bakit? No. You're gonna stop.
Wala pala siyang sumay.
Opo, di naman po siya yung
Hindi siya unicorn.
Opo.
Ano pala siya?
Ano, pony. Nay.
The whole world will know what you really are. Just a phony little pony. Oh man, I can't wait to see the look on everyone's faces when they find out how you betrayed them. Man, I'm so good. I'm gonna go back to my heart. I can do anything you want. Too late for that, though. Time for the world to see you as the pathetic creature you are. No!
Okay, guys. I'm sorry. So this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. And see you next time.